The use of non-renewable sources of energy has a variety of harmful impacts on our environment, either due to the way they are extracted and processed, or in terms of how they are used and thereafter disposed of. Climate change caused by carbon pollution from the production and burning of fossil fuels will take a particularly hard toll on the environment. Conventional energy sources such as coal and natural gas are huge contributors to climate change and also emit a variety of pollutants that affects people's health and the environment. Coal-fired power plants are considered the largest source of mercury emission into the air that create real risk for people. Fossil fuels can have a significant impact on water resources. For example, both coal mining and natural gas drilling can pollute sources of water. When it comes to the land that is being mined, in the long term, these sites are left with a poor soil quality, and sometimes, due to the chemicals used, the lands end up being polluted in the nearby water reserves. Therefore, we should not rely on non renewable energy, but instead use sustainable energy because it provides substantial benefits for our climate, our health, and our economy. Wind and solar energy require essentially no water to operate, and those do not pollute water resources or strain water supplies by competing with agriculture, residential use, or fish and wildlife. Harnessing power from the wind is one of the cleanest and most sustainable ways to generate electricity as it produces no toxic pollution and greenhouse gases emissions. Wind is also abundant and stable and affordable, which makes it a viable and large-scale alternative fossil fuels. Hydropower is renewable resources since it doesn't consume any water. It only harnesses kinetic energy from speeding water to produce electricity. On the top of that, hydropower production doesn't give off toxic byproducts that would harm the environment. A lot of the waste that we produce is biodegradable and plant matter, which could be put to more efficient use elsewhere. Biomass energy is often able to make use of the waste that would often set and fester in landfills. This reduces the contamination of local habitats and damaging wildlife. This reduction in waste also opens up more areas for humans to live in, as a less space is needed to create life fields. To comparison to drilling for oil and creating gas pipelines, the cost involved is collecting biomass fuels and extremely low. Use renewable energy for a sustainable world. Thank you.